Now I'm going to put together a real cheap chicken feeder, just using 90mm PVC. First I'll cut off about a 300mm piece. Next I'll cut off a about 450mm piece. That's the finished product. 90 degree on the bottom and then another 45 attached directly to it. 450 mils up to another 45, and then that top bit will jut out of the coop. It's 300mm long and there's an end cap. There we go, feeder's in place, just wide up to that post. I'll chuck some feed in there now and test it out. There we go, straight into it.